It's not difficult as it looks. So follow me to the end and see how it will solve. The equation is this root 2y and root 2y equals to root y. So to do it first, we now observe you can add this and this. So it will reduce to 2 root 2y and equals to root y. Now to do away with the first root, we square both sides. So these two will reduce with this one. So you have 2 root 2y equals to y, because this cancels this one. Let's repeat the process again by squaring this. So this will cancel this and this will square 2. What we have here will be 4 times 2y equals to y squared. So let's do it. That means this time is will give us 8y equals to y squared. Clearly the equation is not quadratic, so let us rearrange. So we have here will be y squared minus 8y equals to 0 after the rearranging. So y is common there, you can factor out y. So it will become y into y minus 8 and will be equals to 0. So the equation is true when y equals to 0 or y minus 8 equals to 0. Therefore, the answer is the value of y is either y equals to 0 or y equals to 8. That is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you for being here. Bye.